In today's video, I will walk you through how to format text in Discord. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. Discord uses a simple formatting system called Markdown, which lets you style your messages using symbols around your text. Let's start with bold text. To make text bold, place 2 asterisks before and after the word or phrase. For example, type 2 asterisks, your text, and 2 more asterisks.
Make sure there are no extra spaces between the symbols and your text. For italics, use a single asterisk on each side, or a single underscore on each side. Both options create the same slanted effect. To underline text, place 2 underscores before and after your text. Keep the symbols directly next to the text so the formatting works correctly. For strikethrough, use 2 tilde symbols at the beginning and end of your text.
This is useful when showing something that has been removed or corrected. You can also combine formatting styles. To make text bold and italic, use 3 asterisks on each side. For bold and underline, place 2 underscores around text that is already wrapped in 2 asterisks. A few quick tips can help avoid formatting problems. Check for extra spaces and make sure every opening symbol has a matching closing symbol.
If you're using a phone, you may need to switch to the symbols keyboard to find the asterisk, underscore, and tilde. That's it. You can now use bold, italics, underline, strikethrough, and combinations to make your Discord messages clearer and easier to read. And that's how to format text in Discord. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.